Yeah. Break. Alright, what's up guys? Got a new video today. We're going to be doing some camping out here at German Ridge in Indiana. Kind of another last minute thing. Just been wanting to get out and do some camping and brought Finn out with me. This is my third attempt at a YouTube video this week. First one, went up to Red River Gorge and did some hiking. Was going to do some camping as well. And then this little guy, Finn, ate something toxic and had to take him to the emergency vet. So that trip got cut short, unfortunately. But Finn is all right, so that's the good news. Second attempt, tried to go camping yesterday and got there and the campground was closed and didn't have enough light or time and didn't have any alternative ideas. So we tried again today. So now we're at German Ridge and luckily the campsite's open. Beautiful day, gonna be a beautiful weekend. And yeah, I've got my buddy Trent. He's coming here in just a little bit. He's gonna camp with us as well. He's got a Toyota Tacoma with a rooftop tent. I want a rooftop tent, don't have one yet. So I'm just gonna be regular tent camping. Speaking of tents, I wanted to show you guys this. So this is a Decathlon 2-second easy tent. I bought this last year for just car camping. Super quick and easy, as you're about to see. So nice. You're about to see how quick and easy this is and why I like it so much. So he's bumping into the tripod too. Hey, get out of there. Check this out. We're done. Just have to stake it out and that's it. They have a full tent set up in literally like 5 seconds. Pretty crazy. All right, now we just have to stake it out. All right, tent is set up. We've got the Kelty Cosmic Down 20-degree sleeping bag. We've got the Climate camp pillow. We've got the Sinmat sleeping pad. Shout out to Josh, that's his sleeping pad, so we're gonna be using it. And I'll show you the tent as well. So like I was saying, turn that up. So it's a Decathlon 2-second tent. I actually got this for a pretty good deal. You can see there. Pretty cheap, and yeah, well, it's an awesome tent. It sets up so quick and easy. It's a little bit heavier, so I wouldn't recommend it for like backpacking, but for car camping it's super nice. So get you some water. Jump, jump, look out, look out. Hey, look at it. Oh, alright. Camp's pretty much set up. Just gonna sit and hang out for a little bit, just kind of chill. Like I said, pretty nice out today. It's like 40 something degrees, so that's super nice compared to the weather we've been having. So just gonna hang out and chill, wait for Trent, and that's pretty much it. Drink my Red Bull, and once he gets here, we'll get his tent set up. Get the fire going. We'll cook some dinner tonight. Yeah, we're just gonna chill. So. All right, what's up, guys? So we got the fire going pretty good. Been just kind of collecting some firewood. Had a bunch of logs that were already cut up, and I don't have an axe or a hatchet, so waiting on Trent to get those cut up. And I wanted to have those ready, but I'm not gonna be able to cut them with my hands. So yeah, we're pretty much just chilling, waiting on Trent. I know he's on the way, so once he gets here, probably just get him set up and hopefully make some food because I'm getting pretty hungry. So. In the meantime, we're just gonna sit here and chill by the fire and watch Finn chew on sticks and rocks. So hopefully he doesn't get into anything toxic tonight. And then also just wanted to add, hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. I'm not really sure where I'm going with it. I'm just trying out different stuff just to see what works and what kind of style I want to go for. This is gonna be a pretty simple one, kind of going for more of like a relaxing camping type video, because that's pretty much all it is. So yeah. Just want to come out and camp tonight. Super nice to be out. We got clear skies, so hopefully get a good view of the stars tonight. I think it's gonna be like around like low 40s, I think.
Oh, that's
so
perfect.
That's not really bad. Should be pretty nice. Alright. So while we're waiting on the steaks, I'm gonna go ahead and eat a little bit of beef lasagna. We're gonna try this out, let you know how it is. Trying to get this fire going good, but all the wood's wet. We're burning a bunch of leaves. We're gonna try this out though. We've got a beef lasagna from Mountain House. First taste test. That's actually so good. What are you barking at? Would highly recommend this one. Wanna try it?
Sure.
It's actually so good.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm telling you.
Might be onto something here. There you go.
Oh. Little PBR. Bringing all the goodies. Bringing steaks, bringing some beers, everything I didn't bring.
Some garlic. Can't have too much. Onion, salt.
All right, what's up, guys? We've just kind of been hanging around trying to keep this fire going.
That's all we've been trying to do.
All the wood being wet, it's not going very well. But been messing around with a couple of astrophotography pictures. I've only done it a couple times, so just kind of practicing. But I'll insert a couple of them here. Anyways, other than that, we're just kind of chilling, and we had dinner. Steaks are really good. That Mountain House meal as well. It's kind of my appetizer. That was actually very good too. Alright guys, just got done doing a little bit of journaling and reading. I think I'm gonna clock out for the night, and yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Hopefully don't get too cold. It's not too bad. It's like in the 30s or something like that. So we're gonna head on to sleep, and we'll see you in the morning.
Hey, bud. Good morning, buddy.
Alright, good morning guys. Just got everything packed up, got the fire going, and Trent made some coffee over the fire. Really good coffee, Black Rifle.
Thank you. Yeah.
But slept pretty good last night. The sleeping bag was nice and toasty. But we're just gonna sit here, enjoy this coffee, and then probably gonna roll out. So that concludes this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you guys think about this type of video. If you guys like it, plan to do quite a bit more in the future. So got a lot of cool places to go to, and excited to make some videos and do some more camping and hiking, and yeah, whatever